everybody, and welcome back to the Hobby Dude 007 channel. As many of you know by the short that I did earlier this weekend, we just completed a squad room event in eastern North Carolina and spending some time at my mom's just outside of Raleigh. And I have with me tonight my brother Scott. Say hi to Scott.
Greetings, everyone.
Well, Scott was a model car guy growing up as well, so I thought I would have him as a little guest. And because this is the first video I've ever done with another person sitting directly beside me, so I brought this for some strange reason, this antique stapler, which I think fits us. Did you not think? Yeah. Anyway, I've just felt compelled, since there's two of us, to have a stapler for some strange reason. So I'll say this. So there we go. But I wanted to share something with you that I picked up over the weekend, and if you saw the short from the show, you saw this, but I want to share it with you. But I got an idea, and someone had left a message I should make an eraser or put a comment in there. But check out this little Miata. I picked up at the show, went across to an antique guy, and he had a couple of model kits, and in the bottom of a box of a 63 Corvette was this Miata, a happy Miata, by the way. And someone made a comment about I should make a racer out of it. What do you think?
Yeah, absolutely.
And I honestly don't know what this kit is. I haven't tried to crack it back down yet. The seats are out of it. But check it out. It's got working steering. I tried to find some kind of stamp on the bottom of the chassis as to what brand it was, and I can't locate it. So put in the comments if you know what brand this thing is. The hood does not open. It looks like it's got a full engine in it, but based on what I can see, the hood does not open, which doesn't make a lot of sense, but I think that might make a nifty little road racer or hill climber or something like that. But anyway, what I wanted to have Scott join in on is I wanted to do a box opening on a kit that I showed you not that long ago that I picked up at the hobby shop, and that is the Atlantis Midget Racer. You used to drive one of these, didn't you?
Absolutely. A lot of fun. A lot of fun.
But really cool kit. I think this one's like 20th scale. So that's how small these things were. So we're going to open it up and reminisce a little bit.
Absolutely.
Glad to have you with us, Scott. So I'm just going to do it that way. You do the honors.
Alrighty. Thank you.
Scott and I both built NASCARs. We built Roadsters. Scott got into a lot of stuff. He grew up. I didn't. So, oh man, this is molded in blue.
Oh, nice.
Let's check this out.
Very nice.
Decals. Now, what number would you choose? Let me see if I can figure out.
I'd probably go with 78 for some reason.
78.
Yeah.
I would have thought you'd have done 67. I don't know why. But
would have been 61.
Midget special. Yeah, if it had been 61, okay. But decals, single parts bag. Well, this is a simplistic kit, it looks like.
Yes,
Let's take a look at the instructions. We have a clear Lexan piece for our window. And, oh, there's the template for the window. So just trace that over onto the window and cut that out. And it's a big enough piece that if you messed up the first time, looks like you could, yeah, you could do it a few times.
Yeah. Nice.
You can put that in a piece of plastic or up in here. Let's take a look at these instructions. Well, it does have an engine, as you can see there. It has an engine, and
it also looks like it's just single number instead of dual.
Well, all right then. Okay,
Just
then
go with
let's
a
do
single
that
number.
again. Let's do it again. If a single number,
7.
7. Well, I would have picked 8 because Lonnie Perkins. My first stock car team was number 8, so that was going to be on that one.
Yeah,
Let me cut this bag open and let's get into the kit itself. Wow. I do not want to cut my mother's table, or she brought me into this world. If I do that, she will take me out. So I will. Am I wrong? She's in the den, so I don't want to risk Mom, you napping? Must be.
Yeah, she's napping. She didn't answer.
All right, let's take a look at this thing. Guys, I don't know if you've seen this, and put in the comment section too, guys, if you know whether this is an older kit that's a repop, because I don't see any flash on this thing. And I was trying to read what that said, but
No, without my readers, I can't tell you.
well, you got the model car guys on YouTube, and you got the old guys on YouTube, apparently. But anyway, yeah, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
And the engraving, I don't know, by the way, we have a cameraman that is, and you hear our Mishka whining at us. But the engraving is pretty cool in this, pretty smooth.
Nice and clean.
I see something I'm not a fan of, but and that is the two-piece tires. But I'll be honest with you, since Tamiya has I think it's XF85 rubber, which looks very, very real. I'm okay with it. And hey, that's an arm. I think we got a driver figure in here too. Oh, that's the engine block.
Yeah.
Hey, check that out, guys. Pretty well engraved engine. Halves there. And there's kind of generic looking driver.
Yeah.
And as you can see, he is half a man.
They split personality.
Yep, split personality for sure. Hood, rear differential, front suspension. It's a very simplistic kit, but I think this is going to build up into a really kind of cool little kit. And then we've got, there's the exhaust. Front Nerf bar. I guess that M must mean Mark.
Yeah. Very well, could be.
Some of the lines. So, as simple as it is. Oh, wait, it's got an open grill. A gigantic steering wheel. And some other front suspension parts. I just happened to notice something.
Would be a fairly
And check this
easy
out.
build. Yeah. On the back
I think
side,
this will be
you've
an
got some
extra one.
different.
Oh, yeah.
There you go. There's your number.
There's my number 8. And got some color suggestions for them. Very nice, very nice.
Cool little kit.
I was looking forward to opening this, and I thought, you know what, it'd be a great time to take it up to the show, get with Scott afterward, and have some time to share some memories and do a video together. Decals, number 7, dude. Tell me some of your memories when we were young, and let's just say we're past that 6th decade. One of us is very close to this, going on the 7th decade. But what are your best memories? What are your fondest memories of doing this?
Well, I remember the very first model show I ever entered. I built a Pepsi NASCAR. I believe it was number 39, and it was kind of a blue
MPC
light
kit.
vat.
Yep, the MPC kit.
Yeah, the MPC kit, and it's the first time I'd ever entered a contest, and it was here in Smithville, North Carolina. And
that was in 1970 something.
Yes, late 70s. But the car didn't win anything or anything like that, but I enjoyed entering it, and I enjoyed building. And one I have a very fond memory of is I did a dirt track racer that was a beautiful light blue, and I actually built it in middle school in the 8th grade. We had a hobby class, and they said bring your hobby and do what you'd like to. So I actually built that model in that hobby class. I have no idea today where that model's at. There's no telling
we don't
where some of
remember
those
any of that
models
stuff, where that
are
stuff is.
now. But those are some of my fondest memories, and it's been, I honestly need to get another model kit and just try it again, because it's been probably since
If you only had
freshman in
someone
high
that could
school.
bring you back up to date, right?
Yes, it's probably been since a freshman in high school since I've done a model, so I ought to really try, because I really enjoy watching the Hobby Dude 007, plus a lot of the...
Oh, really? I'm so touched.
Yes, you are. But I really enjoy watching the modeling community. Enjoy watching a lot of you fellas do your work. Admire a lot of it. Y'all do some great work, and a lot of you gals do some great work too. So keep it up. It seems like the community's growing, and God willing, this year, I don't know if Mom will be able to or not, but God willing, this year, I hope to be able to come to Atlanta again to meet and greet everyone, because y'all are a great community. It's a great hobby. It's a great way just to spend some time.
Year before last, for those of you that don't know, he showed up with Mom, surprised us in Atlanta year before last.
Yes.
And he got to meet some of his heroes like...
Well, Lucas E. and you.
Your big one.
Oh,
Clay.
Thank you, Clay. Clay Kim. Yes, I got to meet Clay. Yes.
But Matthew with Model Car Videos,
Matthew,
a lot of these guys
a
that
lot
he
of them.
watches, and when he said young ladies, I think we know who he was talking about, because he's kept up with her too.
Yeah.
And encouragement, and well, of course you watch Kim in Denmark too.
Yes, it'd be great to get him here.
Wouldn't it be great to get him here? We need to
Yeah.
start a GoFundMe or something.
Yeah.
We need to get Kim over
Get
here.
Kim over here.
But a lot of the guys, Scott's a fan of the channels too, and so we talk about you guys.
All in a good way.
Oh well, not always. No.
No. He's speaking for him.
No, speaking for myself. But no, we've had fun over the years. Brother Keith also did. I don't think he was in it as much as we were at one time.
No, he wasn't.
But as we said early on, he actually grew up. I didn't, so I just kept going. But you know what? It is about relaxing and having fun, as we've said repeatedly, and so many other content creators agree with that. But we've had a good time and enjoyed it. And I think Scott and I are going to do, if we have time, we'll do another box opening here and just maybe tomorrow or something.
Okay.
But
Sounds good.
But this has been fun. Thank you, brother.
Absolutely. Thank you.
So guys, thanks so much for watching. If you're not a subscriber, head over and hit that subscription button.
Yes.
Give us a thumbs up. Give us a like. We truly appreciate it. If you ever want to help any channel out, give them a sub, give them a like. It really helps. It really helps. And it helps not just us, but the entire community.
Yes.
So guys, God bless you. God loves you. Thank you so much for all the support, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks, guys. Bye.